one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are times when the Lord surprises us with his beauty. He surprises us with his love. As we're walking through life, it can feel like things are just ordinary, like nothing special is happening. But then in a moment, our eyes are opened and we catch a glimpse of what the Lord is doing. We catch a glimpse of his beauty and of his love. And the Lord says, I'm bringing you into a place of surprises, a time of seeing my hand at work, where you will be encouraged and you will be lifted up. For I am filling your heart with my love. I'm filling your heart with my joy. Do not be afraid, but delight in my presence, delight in me. For I am the one who is lifting your heart in this day. I am the one who is filling you anew with my spirit, filling you anew with my blessings. Look to me and know that I am with you. Know that I am the one who is bringing my surprises to you this day, bringing my blessing and my presence to you. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.